Just go to the office.
What did I do?
Just go to the office.
What did I do?
Go, just go.
What?
You need to leave.
Oh, bro, who got you smiling like that? Like, mad happy.
Hell, Chad.
Yo, come on, bro.
Man, these lights look pretty good. For real, bro. Check out these colors. Okay. Alright. Hey, man, this look pretty good, man. Where your clothes at?
How you doing? Hold on, man. Hold on.
Work shoes.
I know, man. You worked a long time. Oh, man, no, man. What the hell? Oh, my God. No way. Talking by. Ah! No, man. Hold on, brother. Let me see the tongue. Oh, my God.
Please subscribe.